Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is the first Pro Plus variant from the Redmi Note series, and it is also the first phone from the series to reach the high-end segment. Thanks to a very powerful processor, an incredibly high refresh rate, and blazing charging speeds, this device is a perfect option for gamers. But there is another handset great for those who want to save money while getting an advanced Android phone. The vanilla Honor 70 from the new Honor 70 series. I decided to publish a comparison between the specifications of the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus and the Honor 70. You will like it if you are looking for an advanced phone sold at a modest price. The appearance of the Honor 70 is very lovely and original. It comes with amazing textures on the rear side which vary depending on the chosen color option. It looks very elegant and futuristic, and it wins the appearance comparison not only for its original look, but also because it comes with a great curved screen with a very high screen-to-body ratio. Last but not least, it is thinner and lighter than its rival. The Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus has an important added value. It is splash-resistant and dust-resistant thanks to the IP53 certification, but there is no way for it to compete with the Honor 70 in terms of aesthetics. So if you are looking for the most beautiful phone, you know what to choose. Do you care about having the best possible image quality? If so, you should definitely go for the Honor 70. It has a stunning OLED display that shows up to 1 billion colors with a 6.67-inch diagonal, a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and a 120Hz refresh rate. It provides brighter colors and deeper blacks, thanks to its OLED panel, while the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus has a more disappointing LCD display with inferior image quality. On the other hand, it features a higher 144Hz refresh rate, and this is a good element for gamers, and for those seeking the smoothest viewing experience. The Honor 70 has an in-display fingerprint reader, while on the Redmi Note it is side-mounted. The device with the highest performance here is the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus, thanks to the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max mobile platform, running at a max frequency of 2.85 GHz. This chipset is an upgrade of the Dimensity 8100 with better AI performance, and it is actually the best MediaTek SoC after the Dimensity 9000. Inside the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus, it is paired with up to 8 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of native storage. The Snapdragon 778G Plus found on the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is just a mid-range chipset, even though it is the best Qualcomm mid-range chipset, if we exclude the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Both the phones run Android 12 out of the box with customized user interfaces on top. The best camera phone in this comparison, and even the only one which can be considered a high-end camera phone in this duo, is the Honor 70. It comes with the new 54-megapixel Sony sensor, paired with a great 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is equipped with a 64-megapixel triple camera, including an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The Honor 70 wins even when it comes to selfies, thanks to a 32-megapixel front camera. The Honor 70 is the handset with the longest battery life because it is equipped with a 4800 mAh battery, and it comes with a more efficient OLED display. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is able to provide faster charging speeds, thanks to 120-watt fast charging. Do you prefer having a longer battery life or faster charging speeds? You can let us know by using the comment box below. For now, the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus and the Honor 70 are only sold in the Chinese market, and their global availability is yet to come. The Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus hit in the shelves with a starting price of $320 at the actual change, while the Honor 70 starts from $407 in its base variant. The latest Honor mid-ranger wins the comparison because it offers a better OLED display and superior cameras, as well as a bigger battery. But the Redmi Note is a better option for a lot of gamers because of its higher refresh rate, better chipset, and faster charging tech. Thank you for viewing this comparison. Write your opinion which of these phones is better. Have a nice day and see you soon.